Hi there, it's James here for Vintage Clocks. This is the most wonderful ball ormolu mantel clock, French made, with fantastic scrolling case, rococo in style, with a cherub drinking or eating flute to the top. Very classical French, solid heavy case, wonderful finish to the ormolu. As you can see, the glass back showing the bell striking movement with external count wheel. This is a fantastic French clock with enamel dial. The dial is signed, and it's also got the original fleur-de-lis hands. As you can see, an absolutely spectacular clock. This clock dates to around 1860. It strikes the bell on the half hour and the hour, and is available from vintageclocks.uk. A wonderful clock. Thank you.